Here we are at the VFW pool with Charlotte. Can you say hi?
Hi.
What are you doing?
Sit.
Are you sitting? Are you going to play in the water? No. Who do you have in your hand? Do you have Buzz? Where's Buzz? Where's Woody? Are they swimming with you today? Can you throw them in the water? Can you go get them? I'll help you. Who else do you have? Where are we? Is it wet? Are we at the pool? Are we going to go swimming? How does the water feel? Is it cold? Bugs? Can you talk to me? Can you say, where did we go before the pool?
Pools.
Do you remember where we went before? Where? Did we go to Target?
No.
Do you want me to help you? Come here. Do you want to get Buzz and Woody? Good. It's hard work, isn't it? What'd you do? Did you get them? Who do you have now? All right. Do you want to go swimming? Okay. Well, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Wave to everyone. Look at Mom and wave.
Wave.
In a minute.
Wave.
Say see you later.
Later.